Commentary jong kakoi kakia kakong Ampareen Lyngdoh hakasngi baar kalaong baka hospital kha khonlong ka MCH kabadon ha Nongstoin lada Dep Pynkhreh Dep Pynkhreh Noh na ka civil hospital saka jaka thamai jongka kalaong bana kalyang katanat kadang yele ya ki jinge halor ki jingduna ki nongtrei bat kala pentikna ya ki doktor bakin Jingpynkynriah ya baro halor ki tei kimat ki doktor hakaju kapor kala ya manjur Dep Pynkhreh ya kane ka MCH Kementeri ketenat kekoi kekia kalaban juru ya ke sorkar kamla aban kentak ya ke MCH Nongstoin ke Bapura ban pentikna bakatai ke jingtai kalalong ke Belakhreh. Sisu kala pentip banalor ke MCH Nongstoin ya ke umran parila ke Bedon Haribhoi District Ru kalong ke Dep Pynkhreh na ke benta ke Jingpynkynriah klem don kano ke kes ke bedang sateng jong ke jingsya penyeklat na ke civil hospital.
Of civil hospital along with the DMNHO along with her assistant DMNHO, and it was decided that day that yes, they are now ready to shift. There are a few adjustments to be made in certain portions of the MCH that has been built, so they have agreed that okay, we will now shift from Nongstoin to MCH Nongstoin. I'm very happy that the doctors are onboarded with us on this matter because we cannot just remove staff from one facility to the other, and we have decided that yes, even if it means that this separation of civil from MCH should happen in Nongstoin, it should be something that doctors also want to do. And we are now fully seized of the kind of shortage of staff that will arise if this happens, and we have assured the doctors that everything will be taken into consideration. And I have been given an assurance by the doctors that they will fast track this and take as less a time as possible, because we are accountable. Building is ready, and we should not at any point of time deny a full-fledged MCH attention in the entire Nongstoin district as a whole.
Can you give us an update on all the district's MCH hospitals?
So all the MCH hospitals, with the exception of Nongstoin and Parila, we are way ahead. We are ready for the bifurcation. And in fact, for Parila, because this was something that was brought to my attention from 2023 when I had the privilege of being selected as an MLA who would be made minister and take care of health. So there we also have the sanction of post ready. Other than that, there is no more pending segregation of MCH from civil.